Are your operations running on just raw effort? Let's talk about a smarter way to work.
So let's just ask, are your operations effort-driven or are they system-driven? Big difference.
You know the problem with being effort-driven, right? Processes can just grind to a halt.
But what happens when you shift to a system-driven model? Let's break down that change.
Okay, first up, traceability. You know, finding that one record you really need.
Before, it was super time-consuming. Now, you get what you need instantly. Huge difference.
All right, transformation number 2 is all about registers. Think of your data capture process.
The old way was just inconsistent, but with a system, everything becomes standardized, finally.
And standardized data leads right into our third point, reporting. This is where you get real insights.
No more waiting or manual effort. Your reports are just there, on demand, whenever you need them.
So this naturally leads to a huge shift in our fourth area, accountability.
It's no longer person-dependent. Now it's totally system-driven. Everyone's on the same page.
And our fifth and final transformation, audit readiness. Yeah, this is a big one for a lot of us.
So you go from that reactive, last-minute scramble to just being in an always ready state. Nice. So here's a quick summary of those 5 big shifts. The combined impact is a total game changer. But honestly, the most important shift of all, what does this all really lead to?
It's this. Your operations become consistently structured and verifiable. Always. That's the real prize.
So the real question is your organization actually ready to be ready? Something to think about.